And since then, in 2022, where we saw that big jump, but that's when I made the decision to work with local businesses, home service and automotive businesses. And since then, we've done numerous productions. And now we are scaling to 100 shops in the United States.
We'll handle a bunch of phone calls, but
yeah,
we won't make a sale. But then, last Monday, the first call that actually it was a walk-in. They saw us on Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, $8,000 sale, like right off the bat.
What did he get?
We're only gonna profit like $3,500, but still, you know.
You haven't been up.
That's
since.
more. That was one day of the week. Remember, I said 3,000 a week.
Yeah.
That was one day.
That's what I'm saying.
And then the next Tuesday, Trevor lands $1,800 sale, and that one will literally profit like $1,500 on it. And it's the fabrication. Now people are starting to see that we do fabrication, so they're hitting us up for the fabrication.
We'll do a video on that today, just because everything that I'm hearing, again, I'm gonna get my computer and I can show you the calls, we can listen to some of them, but overall, I didn't listen to everyone, because again, that's how I know how to make you guys more money, to hear what people are saying.
Every market is different. Every market needs a tailored approach. And this is what we understand that the agency that you're working with doesn't understand, in the sense of advertising on social media and using video. We're not just making one video, we're making numerous videos in like a 2-day period for the next 6 to 12 months. You name it. Your anniversary, you've got a narrative behind it. Your staff, employees, common questions they get on the phone, we have topics that we ask them about. And this is what you need going into 2025 and beyond if you want to thrive in 2025, because consumers are skeptical. Just like you're skeptical of the agencies and the ads that you see, consumers are skeptical of your automotive services. Just because you say you're the best, that doesn't mean you're the best. You want to be the talk of the town, you must invest into your narrative. Netflix invested last year in 2024, $14 to $15 billion in production costs alone. The conversations you have, it revolves around media. And the media is what drives the sales of the things that you do and how you do it, and how you make decisions on buying, whether you realize it or not. You have narratives in your business that will drive your sales. Yes, it's scary, but you wanting to jump to that revenue number is scary as well. And I'm here with Jason McKee.
Oh, we're excited. We think it's going to do. I think we're going to do really good things with it. I'm glad Sean was persistent and kept on me and got me to actually do it. I was a little nervous about being on camera, and I think everybody else here was too.